Good day, and welcome to the Roaring Fork Transportation Authority Aspen Branch Rail Salvage Project. We have put this video together to help show you the extent of the rail salvage project. This video is intended as a visual reference for this project only and should not be used for bidding purposes. The written scope of work and the bid tabs contain the full details of the rail salvage project and are the only documents that should be relied on to bid the rail salvage project. It is important to note at the start of this project that the rail corridor is adjacent to schools, private residences, commercial businesses, etc., so safety is of the utmost importance throughout the life of this project. The safety requirements are well defined in the written scope of work. Pay special attention to these requirements. Rail removal begins with the 7th Street Rail Crossing in Glenwood Springs, Colorado, adjacent to the Interstate Rail Network, and continues up valley as far as and including the Roaring Fork Club Golf Course area. As you can see from the video, there are several rail lines running adjacent to each other inside the Glenwood Springs area, mainline, sidetrack, etc. All of the various rail and rail lines, rail equipment and ties, etc. must be removed. The majority of the rail was salvaged as part of an earlier project. This rail salvage project focuses on removal of the remaining rail in various locations throughout the Roaring Fork Valley. Rail salvage includes removal of all rail, rail equipment, ties, etc. As you can see from the video, some of the rail is still intact and some is in a pile. All of the rail, no matter the condition, must be completely removed and hauled away as a part of this rail salvage project. Same goes for all of the rail equipment, ties, etc. The ties may be disposed of locally as long as the local landfill will accept the ties. Once the rail is removed, the rail bed must be compacted and smoothed to create a level grade. The rail salvage project impacts 3 separate intersections in Glenwood Springs: 7th Street, Riverside Drive, and 23rd Street. All 3 intersections will need to be repaired as a part of the rail salvage project. There are bid tabs and a detailed scope of work for each intersection location. In preparation for rail salvage, RAFTA staff will remove all of the overgrown landscaping to create a clear path for the rail salvage company. One final note on this project. The rail is not intact between Glenwood Springs and the Roaring Fork Club area. It has been cut and/or removed in several locations during previous salvage operations and other small projects. Rail salvage will not be accomplished from the rail line itself. Rail salvage contractors will need to use other methods to remove the remaining rail. It is imperative that you review the track consist for a complete list of the locations and rail inventory in preparation for bidding this project. Thank you for taking the time to review all of the rail salvage documentation. We look forward to working with you on this important project. Please review all of the documents associated with this project, and if you have questions, please email procurement@rafta.com.